Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Friday, August 28, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, Tropical Depression Laura will continue eastward into the lower Ohio Valley and mid-Atlantic states with heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and severe weather possible. Second, severe storms and flash flooding possible from the upper Midwest to the Great Lakes on Friday. And finally, triple-digit heat likely across Texas, with a wildfire threat continuing for parts of the West. Tropical Depression Laura will continue east crossing the mid-Mississippi Valley on Friday, then the mid-Atlantic states on Saturday. Several inches of rainfall with Laura will continue a threat for flash flooding. Severe thunderstorms will be possible on Friday over the Midwest with a potential for large hail and damaging winds, and over the Mid-South with a threat of a few tornadoes. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. What is now Tropical Depression Laura continues to weaken as it moves northeastward through the middle Mississippi Valley and into the Ohio Valley today and crosses the mid-Atlantic states on Saturday. Laura will bring heavy rain, strong thunderstorms and gusty winds to locations along and near its track, with both SPC and WPC highlighting slight risks of severe weather and flash flooding, respectively, before it eventually exits the east coast as a post-tropical cyclone early Sunday. Meanwhile, north of Laura, a slow-moving warm front draped across the upper Midwest to lower Great Lakes will trigger showers and thunderstorms, some of which could contain heavy rainfall and severe weather on Friday. WPC contains this region within a slight risk of flash flooding, and SPC shows a slight to enhanced risk especially across parts of eastern Iowa into southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. The attendant cold front will slide eastward across the Central Plains Mississippi Valley and the eastern U.S. into the weekend with additional rounds of showers and storms likely along and ahead of the boundary. Temperature-wise across the country, one more day of heat and humidity is likely from the Midwest into the mid-Atlantic states on Friday, as Laura's remnants and the cold front to the west should usher in a cooler air mass by the weekend. Although daytime highs should hover near or below normal, plenty of moisture in the air will keep overnight minds warm, with record warm lows possible from the south to the mid-Atlantic Saturday morning. The nation's hot spot during the next few days will be across parts of northern and central Texas, where triple-digit heat and the potential for record-breaking temperatures are possible. Heat advisories are currently in effect for this region. Across the northwest, the combination of wind, heat, and dry thunderstorm activity may ramp up the fire risk again this weekend, with SPC indicating an elevated to critical risk in this area on Saturday. A fire weather watch is currently in effect, while farther south, some parts of Oregon and central California remain in air quality alerts due to recent and ongoing wildfires. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our daily severe weather outlooks are derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our audio outlooks AI technology is developed and is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group, headquartered in Conroe, Texas. Have a safe start to your weekend. Please stay weather aware. And thank you for listening.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this extreme weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.